I need to set my watch, and like the Hatter in Alice in Wonderland, I think it's not the right day. I'm pretty sure it's the summer of 2020. Time is provided for us electronically, and you can read the time signal by Googling epoch seconds. So epoch seconds is shown on the internet as a number. The number of epoch seconds is translated to the date and time on your device. Here are the instruments that we need in order to do the measurements of the sun and moon. First, we have a compass sundial, which is just a nice little box with a 360-degree scale and two arms that can be moved to show where the shadow falls. And to measure the height of the moon, we're going to use a very simple sextant. In addition to those, we need something to perform some magical calculations. I'm going to use a tablet which has the wrong date and time set on it, which is a little silly, but it has a program which can calculate the time. It needs 6 numbers. The first 2 numbers are our position, latitude and longitude. And I happen to know what the numbers are. And we will now go to our observatory and get the other 4 numbers. So the observatory consists of this bracket which is pointing to the north, against which we put the compass, and the shadow cast by the screw, we just save it using an arm and tip it 90 degrees and do the same thing again. So the 2 shadows are caught. And I'm going to call that 289 and 210. So I fed these numbers into the program. Now we need to look for the moon. The moon is supposedly above the trees over there, but I can't see it, so I have to back up a bit. Okay, so there's the moon up there. There's the moon. Okay, so I'm going to measure the moon. So I've aligned the compass to point towards the moon, and the position is 54 degrees. We've got 34 degrees. So it's 54 and 34. Now when this runs, it will attempt to find the date. And it starts off at 2019. It's scrolling through January, February, March, April, May, June. Oh, we've got a hit. Okay, so it says it's June the 14th, 2020, which is a Sunday, and it's 11:07, which is probably close. What do we have? We have 11:13, and it's June. Well, I would call that observation a success, and just to show good faith, I've put the tablet back to the right time so that it can display the number of seconds since the beginning of time. Thank you for watching.